Hey guys, back to another review video today. We're gonna do a canister because, yeah, it's the only other vacuum I have at this house besides a shark, but I'm not doing that today. I think I probably will, but I don't know where it is. I'll have to find it. Anyways, so today, like I said, I am doing a canister vacuum. So this is our review of it. So yeah, here it is. Kenmore. It is a Kenmore whisper tone. Here's the. It doesn't have the original plug, so it has this plug on it. And here is a Kenmore bag. So yeah. I don't know why I'm coughing, but it is very clean. I have like a hair in my mouth or something, I don't know. But yeah, it is very, very clean on the inside. Those of you who have this machine know how quiet it is and how nice and or expensive of a machine it is too. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, headlight still works somehow. Don't know. Yeah, but there's the height adjustment. Low, extra low, low, medium, and high. Basically, low, medium, high, shag. The extra low doesn't really do too much. Has a reset button. It does have beater bars. This thing cleans really good. I'm absolutely in love with this machine. For those of you who don't watch my videos often, I hate canisters. I just don't like them, but this one I love so much. Okay, now this is light a bit overboard. You can't see it from above the head, but this is so much paper. So we're definitely gonna have to spread this out. Gosh, that covers, there ain't no carpet. Goodness. Somebody shredded up a milk dud box because there's pieces of the milk dud box in here. Anyways, yeah, let's go. So that was a quick pass just to see what happens if it'll get clogged. Now we'll continue doing it again. Look at that. I clogged it. I have never clogged this machine before. I told you that was a bit overboard. It got clogged right in this curve piece right here. There we go. The bag still has room, it just, dang. landed in the same spot again. Okay, we're good now. Let's push the dirt back into the bag. Like I said, the bag isn't quite full yet, but so it is. It is quite full. I'll show you guys the bag. Holy crap. Let me bring this to you guys. I know y'all can't see what I'm doing. Anyways, alright, so I've always had trouble getting this bag out. Okay, so that tilts back. Yep, it just pulls out. It's just very full. God. Oh, it has date wheels. I didn't know Kenmore canisters had date wheels in them, but they do. I'm just taking all the random paper out of it. Okay. There's that. That has okay, so yeah, I'll have to put a new bag in it. But yeah, otherwise, there you go, guys. That's kind of our review / testing. This isn't very important video, but yeah, hope you guys liked, subscribe, and enjoyed this video. Bye.